Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's tutorial, we're going to make beautiful pop-out cards using the Spellbinders Amazing Paper Grace Die of the Month for April 2019. My tutorial is going to focus on how to assemble the pop-out mechanism and how to assemble your card. You'll find links to everything that you see here, plus the measurements in the area underneath this video and also in my blog. For the month of April, Spellbinders Amazing Paper Grace Die of the Month provides you with 20 dies. And for today's pop-out card, these are the dies that we'll be using. Now I've chosen silver to go with my mint colored designer paper, and I have cut 3 pieces of silver cardstock, 3 sets of flowers, and 3 sets of leaves. 3 pieces of designer paper, 2 pieces of the starburst design, 4 pieces of that die, 4 panels, and 4 scroll panels. Die cut 2 pieces of these and your sentiments. And our card base measures 4 3/4 by 6. Okay, so I've done a lot of the prep work here. To create our card base, we need a piece of cardstock cut at 9.5 by 6, and you're going to score at 4 3/4. Here I am showing you just where to add your double-sided tape to these 2 die cut pieces. Our 3 foil pieces are cut down to 4 5/8 by 5 7/8, and our designer paper is trimmed down to 4 1/2 by 5 3/4. And over here I'm showing you how you take your panels and you just apply your scroll work on top of your panels. And on these other panels, you will apply your double-sided tape only on 3 of them. Okay, let's get started.